and how I helped your husband, and how is he feeling now? Can you please tell quickly so that
Yeah.
these people, audience over, will understand?
Yeah. Um, yeah. See, I was actually, we got married 16 years back. So I know my husband lifestyle actually. We have there, I mean, family business we are running, like, bakery and provision stuffs and all. So he was actually running the business. I mean, it's a family business, as I said that. So he's not of much into dietary things and all. Whatever it comes, in his way, he used to have, and able to manage his personal life and even his business as well. So that actually, at the age of 37, I got to know that he has a pre-diabetes. That is in the year 2017. So after that post, which 2018 he got attacked with dengue fever. So in that at that time actually this his glucose levels have been shooted up, and he had to taken the insulin. They put him under insulin. So it was there actually for near about 20 days. So and then I was on medication. So slowly he was actually we tried that getting his diabetes levels in a normal range so that he can avoid the medicine. So he used to go for the walking, and he used to take care of his diet things and all. So and then when we do that, the levels used to come down. Then again, whenever he is actually having some, anything which, right, all the carbohydrates or any sugar items, if at all is going to any parties or functions, again it used to up. So, I mean, we used to go once in a while and take average of glucose test, and we used to get to know that his levels very easy. So doctor used to advise that you go for this medicine, that medicine, and all. So all these years, I was actually worried. How do I fix it? I was really myself. I was really thinking about it. How I can avoid this? Not only my husband actually. I've come through my. I mean, I've seen my father, my mother, and my sister, who's a very young age, 34 years. She actually got diagnosed with diabetes. So all this actually made me to think very, very, rigorously. I was thinking how I can come out of this. Even in fact, I actually got diagnosed with diabetes at the age of 34 during my pregnancy. So doctor told much attractive, I mean, potential towards the sugar levels. So you have to be very careful after your delivery. Then even me and my husband, we used to be on diet, and we used to go to walking and all. But right, in our regular busy life, how much we can do. Having two kids, I am working woman, and my husband is busy, very much busy with business and all, and nobody is there for us to take care of my kids. So with all these things, I was, I mean, looking for a support actually. So that time, I know I can actually, we can say that it is we are so fortunate to connect with Srini, and we actually wanted to know what is this all about, and we are very much interested because without medication and without any special dietary thing, how we can come out of this. That is the very much, I can say that that is one thing which is attracted me and my husband. I know I can go to diagnostic. I didn't put him under. I mean that he's not under medication, because all these days we are trying to actually, push this to avoid the medication. But then it was not actually working. His sugar levels last year, you should see, 7.5 it is. And when we went to doctors, doctor said that no, immediately he has to be under medication, or I'll give insulin. So this was the condition. So last year, yeah, from that time onwards, I was very much worried. Me and my husband, even my family members are. Then, fortunately, we got connected with Srini, and we actually could go through this journey. Then my husband actually could follow the all the dietary whatever which is given by Srini, and mainly I can say that the kind of uh, this program he designed is actually is wonderful. I can say that, and we don't need to use any medicine. Whatever is available around us, we can eat it and we can come out of that and we can lead our life with very much, happily and effectively. I can say that. So his levels was before his before he getting into this program, we taking into this program. My husband uh, average sugar glucose levels were 6.9. So after this 3 month, we again checked it. So all is, I can say that glucose levels, liver function, kidney function test we have done, and cholesterol test we have done. All the tests are actually, it has been, we are actually surprised to see those levels. It's not 1 year, 2 years that we suffered with this. It's been very long journey. Okay, and my husband is the youngest in the family. So all of us was very much worried, but now we are very much happy. We are going to celebrate this. I just yesterday itself I was informing to Ashwini on this. This is how it is, and even myself, I was when I used to attend this session with my husband. I actually myself got wanted to try few things, and I tried it, and it worked out to me very well. So I can say only one thing. Why this program? Why I wanted to promote is simple. Simple. There is no actually logic to this. Without medication, we can lead our life. We don't need to depend on medication. And whatever we will be so energetic, so healthy, and we can take care of our family, kids, and we can pass this to our next generation. Okay, with what else we want? Something, if at all we don't have money, we can ask somebody else. We don't have something, if at all we want some other things, we can go and borrow from somebody. But when we don't have health, which we can't actually get it from anybody else. That we only have to work and we only have to get it. Today, even I got my reports. I've just done my master checkup, health, complete body health checkup. Srini, I have not shared this. Okay, this is the new thing to me, and all the reports were actually very good, Srini. I'm going to share these things with you.
Yeah,
Okay,
yesterday
so
you were
I'm very
very
happy
much
about it.
yesterday you were telling and very much confused and fearful that what my reports will be. Right now you are very happy that your
Yes,
reports are
yes,
very good,
yes.
superb.
True,
Where
true.
is your husband? Where is your Murthy?
Murthy, can you come, please?
Okay, and you were talking about Vijaya that entire your family, many diabetes people are there in your family, 5 to 6 people. So what they were talking about the Murthy because he is not under medication.
They're surprised actually. It's they were asking that how it is possible, because they know, and my husband is actually fifth child to my mother-in-law. So everybody is surprised, and how come without, they know his lifestyle very well. Having cool drinks, bakery items, samosa, whatever is available. So he used to have and he used to manage his business. But then now, after adopting this lifestyle, okay, my family members are surprised, and they were asking him, how are you feeling now? How you can achieve this? Actually, it is a wonder to them, I can say, and it's a great feeling to my family members too.
Yeah, and also one of your doctor in your family were asking that how is it possible?
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
myself on medication.
Yeah, one of in my family, my sister-in-law, she's a MD. Uh, so she was asking me about actually how what you did and all. So I was actually sharing this with her. Even my husband's sister as well. So they were asking, and they're actually interested in this. I wanted to actually promote this to not only within my family, even my friend circle as well. I shared actually, Srini's this thing, because this is a very good awareness that we need to spread this. Wherever if at all we are going to any hospital, we can get whatever we want, medication or anything, processed food, whatever it is, for sugar-free medicine, sugar-free, processed food and all, we can get it. But this is something which we can't get it, and we have to work ourselves, and we have to achieve it. So this is what I can see, and this is what truly I can believe in this. And the system is designed amazing. So I want you to make use of this journey or this program and get 200% out of it. I'm sure that all of you can get it, because that's the kind of program the way they designed it.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Vijay, and thank you so much for sharing all your wishes, sharing your all your wins along with your husband's wins. And I really mind blown with by seeing your blood report, because we are only can measure when it is coming in your blood report, right? When the blood report transforms, it means this is the measurable outcome you are getting. Right? I'm not saying without anything. What I'm saying is with evidence. Right? And thank you so much, Vijaya. And I would like to see your husband, but he's not available. Okay.
Yeah. Yes,
he's
Shrini.
not.
Sorry about
Okay.
it.
No problem. No problem. But tell him to take care and take care about his health,
Yeah.
and we'll meet soon. Take care.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, one and all the very best, all of you.
Super. Great. Great job, because her husband is a massive action taker. Whatever I've been told, he has been implemented each and everything, and he got the result, because he was pretty much clear that if I implement this, he will get out of this shitty disease. He was suffering from so many years. Just 3 months. She was telling about after 3 months he has taken the blood report. No, he has taken blood report after 2 months, and the massive results have been observed. Okay.